How do we develop skill? So skill and training. So I will categorize the movements you want to improve into two areas. We talk about trainable weaknesses and we talk about practicable weaknesses. Weaknesses that are trainable are things that you get better at by lifting heavy, by breathing hard, by providing a stimulus to your body that your body has to then adapt to. These are things that can be trained. If you lift heavy, you'll get better at lifting heavy. If you do high rep stamina work, you'll get better at high rep stamina work. If you breathe heavy, you'll get better at breathing heavy, at trying to oxygenate your muscles. Skill and practice, on the other hand, these are things that are best done not under intensity. Intensity is your trainable stuff. Your practice is best done not under intensity. So if you're trying to get a butterfly pull-up, the best time is not when you're breathing hard after a set of 21 thrusters. The best time is when you are fresh, you can play with the movement, unstructured play with that movement, and you try and do two, and then you have a break. You maybe watch the video, you break it down, you look at what you're doing. So we can insert practice sessions into this template, into this 19. Maybe we say, all right, we're going to take it from 19 to 24, and we're going to insert 5 practice sessions in here as well, where we're identifying the movements, the skills that you're weakest at, things like pistols or butterfly pull-ups or handstands, things that require you to have the skill. It's not that you don't have the strength to do a butterfly pull-up, it's that you don't have the skill to do a butterfly pull-up. Everyone here is strong enough to hold a freestanding handstand. Everyone here has that strength. You don't have the skill. So you will insert some skill session type training into your program as well through slow, deliberate practice.